One thing which is missing these days is ethics and honesty. You see that in any profession that has become a rare commodity these days. I always feel that a VITN should never cut corners in ethics, should always be straightforward, have full integrity in their life. Main thing you will see is, as lawyers, you will face a lot of ethical dilemmas every day. You even see some of the lawyers getting purchased by the opposite side also. So you got to be like a fire. Nobody should be able to touch you. Nobody should be able to come near you. I mean, we should remember our forefathers like Mahatma Gandhi ji, great lawyer, who stood for certain principles. If you don't stand for something, you will fall for everything. It's a great proverb which you should all remember.